preparing my ginger for my ginger powder. The first thing I did was to use hot water to wash it. So whenever you buy your ginger from the market and you want to make ginger powder from it, the first thing you have to do is to boil real hot water and pour over it. Allow it for like 2 to 3 minutes and thoroughly wash and drain off. So I've actually done that. This is the second washing I'm doing. I'm using ordinary water now to rinse off. So as soon as you finish doing this, pick out any black spot, any dirt in it, any black ginger, you know that one is no go area, for it, and pick it out and discard it. Please always ensure you wash your ginger before you dry it and then use it for your ginger powder. So with this, I'm good to go now. I'm going to be taking it off this cold water. This is cold water now. I'm done with the first part where I use hot water. Sorry, I could not capture that. I'm done with the first part where I use hot water to rinse off or wash off the dirt. The essence of the hot water is that hot water easily losing dirt. So if you use hot water on it, it will loosen the dirt and makes it easy for you to wash. As you can see, this one is bright. It's better. So this cold water now I'm using. So I'm going to be taking it off this water now. And I'm going to dry it. Look at this. This is not good. So you remove, discard. It's not good enough. So you check. If you see anything like that, please. It's good to eat healthy. Do not allow anything bad in your ginger. So we'll be drying it now. If you have dehydrator in your house, fine. If you don't, just use the sun and dry it. Use a clean net to cover it to prevent dust from entering. So things like this, you can remove it. This dark spot is not good for you. Please remove it. So let's remove this one now from the water. The ginger is dry. It's good. See, this is perfect. So I'm going to be grinding it. I'll be using a commercial grinding machine to grind it. So the ginger is grounded now. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I'm going to be sieving it to remove all these strands that are inside I don't like, so that I can have something like this. This is smoother, you can see. So I'll be sieving it off camera. So this is what I've got finally sieved. This one I'll be keeping it. And there's the chaff. Can you see? So I'll be packing this into my container where I'll be keeping it for any time I want to use. So this ginger powder, I'll use it for my tea, my lemon tea, my clove tea. I can add it to my green tea if I want to. And then whenever I'm cooking my meats, some food that requires ginger, I will add it to it. So this is how to make your ginger powder easy. Into the second container. Make sure to sieve in a very ventilated place because it can choke. And please, if you're asthmatic, don't try to sieve. Don't even come close to prevent it's causing you some problem. If this is your first time of my channel, I want to say thank you so much for checking in. And to my returning subscribers, I really do appreciate you always. Please like and share, and please subscribe if you have not done so. So here I have my 2 container of my grounded ginger ready to serve me. Thank you. Till we meet again, remain blessed.